Hello guys, so I'm back with another making video of bottle lamp. This time it is a worldly themed bottle lamp. Before showing you all the making video, I would like to show some clippings and photos. So this is how it looks like, the finished bottle lamp. It looks really beautiful and it has that vintage look, and I have inserted an cork LED light to have that glowy effect in the dark. Isn't it looking so beautiful in the dark atmosphere? Like, it gives so aesthetic and peaceful look. It really holds that vintage look. So now let's jump into the video. For making of this bottle lamp, I took an empty glass bottle, spray painted it with shades of olive green and metallic silver. I used metallic silver to give that glittery effect, and also I used macrame thread and jute thread to hang and create patterns all around the bottle. Firstly, I tied a macrame thread around the bottle. Now you should take macrame thread double the height of the bottle. Like, you should measure it from the top of the bottle to the bottom, and you should take double the size of the bottle. Like, the thread size should be double of the bottle size. So you should take even number of cords to tie all around the bottle. Like, the number of cords is completely an individual's decision or wish. If you want the pattern to be compact, you can take more number of cords, and you want the pattern to be leisure or free, you can take lesser number of cords. And I took 6 number of cords in this bottle lamp because the bottle is narrow. If I take more number of cords, that creates a pattern which is over compact. And now the process must be clearly observed because it is all about knotting. Here I am going to show about the knotting and making of the patterns by using macrame. Guys, this appears complicated, but in reality this is super easy. You can just try, and I would really feel happy if you guys show your creation also. Like, you can send it to my Insta, Naveen Niharika. So you should repeat the same process for all the 6 macrame cords, and you should fix it up each and every time to see that the alignment is clear or neat. The fixing and adjusting goes on. Since it is my commissioned or customized order, I am paying even more attention for the minute details also. So now let's knot the second line all around the bottle. In this case, you should knot every 2 consecutive cords, and after tying a knot, you should pull the macrame firmly to ensure that the pattern is firm but not loosen or something like that. And the process is same for other cords also. And the reason why I told to take even number of cords, because when you take even number of cords, you can knot it, you can knot the pattern accordingly. If you take odd number of cords, one macrame will be left unknotted. So that is the reason you should take even number of cords. And I have another thing to say with you all, and that is about Window app, which provides platform to small businesses and independent female oriented handmade businesses or small business sellers across India. And I sell my products on the same platform too. The app is really doing super great. Maybe this appears complicated, but this is super easy and super fun activity. You can just randomly make these patterns around the glass bottles or the plastic jars in your, which are there at most of our houses, and hang them or just place on the desk. It really looks beautiful. At least we are doing something super best of the waste, like we people are upcycling, so that is good, right? Upcycling is like new trend in the present era. I can't wait to draw worldly themed images and patterns all around the bottle. But we should finish the knotting first. So we are doing the third line of knotting. So few more knots and we will be done with knotting. So I'm using a hot glue gun to fix up the bottom alignment pattern, and now I'm going to line the bottom of the bottle with a jute thread. And let's insert the cork LED light. You can find this in Amazon, Flipkart or any websites, and Instagram, and some Instagram pages also sell them at a very good rate. And you can also DM me to buy the cork LED lights. So now let's draw the worldly themed images in between the macrame patterns. I really enjoyed making this bottle lamp, and please don't mind my face which is appearing randomly, because I shoot my videos, like I shoot the videos myself, so it happens sometimes. Please don't mind. Oh no. Yeah, so I think this is the last pattern and we'll be done. Worldly themed images look so beautiful, so aesthetical, and they give the vintage look. Oh, there is another pattern which needs to be filled. Yeah, worldly themed images have so many pleasing artistic value, and still they are super easy to draw. They are very basic patterns or artwork in my experience or in my case. So this is the finished bottle lamp. Now let's draw some patterns in the bottom layer too. This time I'm using a brown metallic paint marker. And guys, I will be super happy if you like. Please feel free to ask me and ask your queries in the comment section, or you can just DM me at my Instagram Naveen Niharika for any queries like about the colors which we should use, and like if you want to place some customized orders, I will be super happy to do. So this is the finished bottle lamp now. Look how beautiful this is looking in the dark and when it glows. So yes, we are done with the bottle lamp. This is Worli themed bottle lamp, and this is how it looks in the dark and when the light is on. It's really super. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, comment and subscribe.